In this video, we're going to show you real quick how to make a nomination for Best of Tri-County on your cellular device, your phone, your smartphone. First, you're going to want to go to sunny106.fm and click on the banner that will bring up Best of Tri-County, which, depending on your service, it might take a second to load. It is a pretty big website, so be a little patient when it starts to load. You'll see what I'm seeing right now. Alternatively, besides going to sunny106.fm, you can always go to bestoftricounty.com, which you can use the tri-county or just tri-county one word. Both will go to the same place. If we scroll down, we can see there's a bunch of different groups of categories here, the whole way down to pet services. We're going to go ahead and click on automotive to make our first nomination. Once you click on one of the groups, you can also at the top click this little drop-down menu that will show you all of the different groups and all of the different categories that you can vote on. If you want to, you can go from the very start, the automotive category or the automotive group, and start with the new group. So first, I'm going to nominate just Craig's Car Dealership. So you can click on one of the places that are already in the nomination list if you want to throw your support behind them, or you can type in a new place, tell us a little bit about why you like the place, and then register to vote if you have not done so already. So we'll put an email address in here, which that's my personal email address, and you can choose whether or not you want to get the Tri-County Insider newsletter, and then click continue. If this is your first time doing some kind of promotion with us, it will come up and ask you some basic questions that we use just to keep track of who's voting to make sure all the votes and nominations are legitimate. So, and also coming from the right postal code. So you'll be able to add your postal code here and your phone number and your birth date. All of these things are necessary for us to decide whether or not people are eligible for prizes. So please be honest and fill these out to the best of your ability. Then you're going to go ahead and click nominate. Then once that's done, it'll come up to say thank you, and you can click on the next category, and you can go the whole way through these. I'm going to scroll the whole way down to the bottom here just to show you what happens when you get to the very last category on a page. I'm going to nominate Craig's Cycles. I should start some businesses. And just give a little description about why I think Craig's Cycles should be nominated for Best of Tri-County. And go ahead and click continue. Now that's going to say thank you. And since you already registered, you don't have to register again. So you only have to do that once. And then you can nominate as many businesses as you like. And when I click on the next category, it'll go ahead and bring me to the next group of categories, which is food and dining. So I just wanted to talk real quick that we are giving away some prizes. If you nominate between June 8th and July 13th, every nomination you make, which is limited to one per category per hour, enters you for a chance to win a summer fun package. If you nominate one business, you'll get one entry. If you nominate 20 businesses, you'll get 20 entries. So technically, you can nominate as many as you want. You can nominate more than one in one category, or you can nominate one business for each category. We do verify that these are actual businesses, so please be honest again about that. The winner will be announced on July 16th on the Sunny 106 radio station and Facebook page. The prize package includes Pittsburgh Pirates baseball tickets, which are for the August 16th home game, Baltimore tickets to use anytime this year, and also Pittsburgh Zoo and PPG Aquarium tickets. So you can enter for those up until July 13th by nominating your favorite businesses. We'll be back soon with some videos about how to vote when voting starts August 1st.